Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Tuesday 24 February 2026. Today SA Daily Lotto single prediction numbers. Number 4, number 9, number 20, number 30, number 32. Today SA Daily Lotto single prediction number repeat number 4, number 9, number 20, number 30, number 32. Now SA Daily Lotto second prediction numbers. Number 1, number 6, number 11, number 25, number 32. Today SA Daily Lotto second prediction number repeat number 1, number 6, number 11, number 25. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. Friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification. Please like my video.